Hey guys, this is Carl Everest of Trading Crypto Course. Today another lesson about chart structures. This time we're going to talk about divergences. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today I'm using a Bitcoin 4-hour chart and I've added the RSI indicator here below. So I will be looking for chart structures and patterns on the chart, and I will be looking for divergences on the RSI indicator. Right here is our starting point. As you see, price makes a first lower low and another lower low. And here already we get our first divergence signal. You see, while price is making a lower low, the RSI indicator or momentum is showing us a higher low. This is a bullish divergence, an early signal for a potential reversal. And next we see in this area that price is trying to make higher lows, see, like here. And I would say this is a first higher high, but it's very premature. And as you know from previous lessons, to consider this an early uptrend, I want a higher high, followed by a higher low, and followed by a higher high. Only then I consider this an early uptrend. And compared to this area, it even makes a lower high. This was the latest high in this downtrend structure, and price failed to break above this. Price gets exhausted and drops down even below these lows, even below this low, making a lower low. But as it makes this lowest low, you see that the RSI indicator is already making a slightly higher low. It's very premature bullish momentum. And as you can see, when you zoom a little bit out, we can draw a descending trend line here, a bearish trend line right here. And now we wait for price to break above this level. You see price is now making a higher low also, and this is very nice because now you see that the RSI was a leading indicator. The divergence was a leading signal because after this price followed and also made a higher low. Now price breaks above this trend line, breaks slightly above this resistance level, slightly, tries to respect it as a support level, but all the subsequent bars remain within this breakout candle that broke above this level. So this is an inside bar pattern, and the breakout above this level is not yet confirmed, because as I have explained in the previous lesson, for me a clean breakout means the subsequent bar that follows the breakout bar should be beyond the range of the breakout bar. So the resistance is not actually broken, but is extended a little bit upwards. And next price breaks out of this consolidation to the upside. It makes a higher high. It's a break and close above this resistance level. And normally I would call this the safest long entry signal if you want to trade a trend reversal. But this time it ran straight into the next resistance level over here. You see? And because it took a lot of effort and volume and momentum to only reach this level, so by the time it was at this level, it was already exhausted. You see it made several attempts, and we want to see momentum and volume increase on the breakout, but not before the breakout. And a lot of momentum and volume was used to get to this level. As you see, it makes some slightly higher highs. We can draw a slightly ascending trend line over here on the price chart, but at the same time we can draw a descending line between these highs on the RSI indicator. That's a bearish divergence. This is an early signal for a potential reversal, this time bearish, so to the downside. And that is what we got next. Price broke down. Compared to these lows, it made a lower low, you see, but at the same time it was still making a higher low compared to this low. And as I have mentioned in the earlier lectures, it's best to always focus on the bigger patterns, on the bigger swings. When you focus or zoom into the smaller swings, it can get really confusing. So we got a higher high, followed by a higher low. The only thing left for us is a higher high or a break above this previous high, and then we get our first uptrend attempt. Let's see. First price moves up, tests this previous major resistance level another time, but this time it's not rejected, but breaks and closed above right here. For me, this is the safest long entry signal until now. It's not very early, but it's very safe. And you see how divergences helped us along the way to paint a better picture and to avoid getting stuck in a retracement instead. And these divergences also help us determine the end of a trend or a possible exit level, just as you see over here. For more free trading lessons, please visit my course website, tradingcryptocourse.com. I have a lot of free lectures on a wide variety of crypto trading topics. I'll wrap it up here. I'm Carl Everest and this is Trading Crypto Course. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, or leave me a comment in the comment section. I have a lot more crypto trading videos to come, so stay tuned and take care everybody.